Internets, this is a drip injector with a flavor selective and always with that South Carolina perspective. Today is a special unboxing. Y'all, I have two t-shirts from the Marathon Clothing website. Long live Nipsey Hussle. Your boy actually visited the store. It was closed down after his death in 2021. My first time in LA with my fam Prez. And y'all, that was just a big moment, just being on Crenshaw and Slauson, going to Slauson Donuts, seeing where the actual Marathon store was at. So for me to have this package, it meant a lot. I was proud to pay. And I actually really love the designs on these two Marathon clothing items. Authentic Marathon clothing items. Let's get to it, y'all. Start with the white shirt and we gonna get to the black one. This the packaging and come in super clean. Authentic Marathon clothing, and we got the black Bart Simpson on here, dipped out in the TMC. Y'all, this one right here, I think I'm gonna throw this on with my Jackie Robinson Air Force Ones. That's another story for another day, so definitely stay tuned to my Instagram. Is in the description below. Like and subscribe, and also follow me on all my social medias. Let's get to the black tee. So this is actually the same exact design, but I made sure to get it in the black t-shirt as well. So let's unbox this one and see exactly how it looked. And let me also break down the design and why this design in particular means so much to me personally. So authentic Marathon package should definitely come in the bag such as this, with the stamp on the bag. Let's pull it out. Also should come with the official tags on there. Everything should be looking official. You know what I mean? Make sure, because there's a lot of fake Marathon clothing going on out there. First of all, let's start with the back. It also has a Marathon hit. The sleeve. Marathon hit as well. And to make sure your item is official and not some fugazi, a stamp at the bottom of the tee as well. But y'all, this is Nipsey Hussle's Marathon Clothing t-shirt. And man, this design right here is extra, extra special, man. First of all, you have to be a 90s kid to remember when they was actually doing the black Bart Simpson bootleg shirts. But to make this one even more special is we have the black Bart Simpson dressed up as Mars Blackman. Now, for a lot of people that don't know who Mars Blackman is, that is a character that Spike Lee created in a movie, She's Gotta Have It. And in that, he was dressed with the B-boy look, the Cazelle glasses, the fingerless gloves. Fun fact, Spike Lee is actually one of my style influences. And that's the reason why I wear the fingerless gloves. And I actually have this exact model of Cazelle glasses from the 80s. And so Spike Lee created the character Mars Blackman. 1985, he put him in his movie, his very first movie. He was rocking the Air Jordan 1s. From there, Nike decided to get Spike Lee in the Jordan 3 commercial in 1988, rocking the Air Jordan 3. So that's why the character has on the fire red 3s. These shorts are the actual shorts Spike Lee wore in the campaign. A lot of people don't know that. So this is like so much going on because we have the black Bart Simpson dripping in the Mars Blackman style clothing, and also he's rocking Marathon clothing. So this is like a three-way style influence image right here. I love what Nipsey and the team did with this one. Like, this design really speaks to me, especially for Spike Lee being one of my biggest style influences. And y'all, I absolutely love this design. As soon as I seen it, first of all, it's a retro. So this is not something that was new for 2023. They actually brought this back. And it was a no-brainer. I didn't care how much the shirt cost. I knew I was going to buy it just because what this design meant to me, what Nipsey meant to the culture of hip-hop and rap, and what Spike Lee did just fashion-wise, coming in on the Jordan commercials, putting Jordans in his movies, Do the Right Thing, She's Got a Habit, etc., etc. This is super special, and y'all, I absolutely love it. This is a shirt. I don't care if it gets faded to glory. I'm going to keep it forever. Long live Nipsey Hussle. The marathon continues, y'all. So until the next episode, peace and love. And make sure you go on the Marathon Clothing Store and actually support. The proceeds goes to his family and to help further the vision that Nipsey had when he was still here. So this is amazing. Peace and love, y'all.